Hey guys, today we're doing the making Boat Granny. Um Wait, what? That's not the move tool. That's the what? Wait, hold on. I got an idea for this game. This game will be fun. Oh yeah. This is also visible in the in some screenshots of the game. I know what'll make this game good. Perfect. Oh god. Wait. Wait, does that look normal though? It kinda does. Is that just like 2D? Yeah, that doesn't look normal. That just looks 2D. Which it basically is. Ah. I've seen some videos, and yes, there is going to be a settings. I might as well get to that. Yeah, I had to make this menu with nothing there, because if I didn't, Microsoft wouldn't allow me to publish the actual game. I wouldn't be able to make the game. But yes, I don't know how to make Xbox sliders. Yep. Xbox slider tutorial Unity. Unity, the slider. Alright, so you'd use the right thumbstick for changing your selected thing, and then left thumbstick to change it. That may take a while, but whatever. I'll make it right now. Yeah, I made our cool sensitivity thing. Yeah, sorry, it's a bit loud outside. Hold on, we need to make it signed by the Death Knight. There. Signed. You can read that perfectly. No. There. I'm actually move it down. There. Good. cool sensitivity thing. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to code this because I suck at coding. No, I really don't, though. That's how it works. Perfectly. Settings. Hopefully that I can't open it. No. It's not Denenv. It's not Denenv. Visual Studio Code's good. And yes, do not mind that project name. Yes, I've gone insane. I don't know why I do this stuff. One thing you guys should check out if you watch this video, check out my website. I think this might actually be combined into 2 videos. But once this starts getting released, it's definitely gonna take a while. So, yeah. Weird thing dot value equals, yeah, Kool-Aid. Why? I don't know. I know why I do this stuff. Probably because I'm crazy. And if you're able to decompile this game, which you're probably able to, you'll be able to see that it's actually named Kool-Aid. I think it's settings thing. Yeah, it is settings thing. Wait, hold on. That'll put a space in between. Weird thing. Yep. Slider. Yeah, so I'll code all of the slider and stuff. Not recording. I'll pause the video for you guys, but might be it. So, see ya for probably another few hours or something. Alright, we're back. I just did all of it. Now it should keep sensitivity. I just need to make something that does it so it doesn't. It does work on stuff. Alright, hold on. I'll be back. We're back yet again to test it again. Hopefully that it works. I did hopefully just now. We'll be back again. This will be it this time. This will be it. This is gonna work. Okay, I don't even have to make changes to this one. I'm dying. Please help. Please help. so that was the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll have a new update releasing soon on Boat Granny that'll have cool sensitivity thing. Well, see you guys.